Okay, so I'm not using the actual audio for this one because, for one, the chopper's kind of loud, which we'll see in the second part of this, but also my husband's home and he was watching TV in the back. So you can see we're making homemade french fries with this one, with the skins on smaller potatoes. I have it on the larger setting as far as the slice goes. There's a slice, just flat slices, these ones which are larger, and then a smaller julianne style slice. I think this one's on an 8, which makes it a perfectly square french fry, just like you'd get at like McDonald's or wherever. Like, I'll show one up. I hold one up here in a second once I'm pushing this through. But you can see from the mechanism, your fingers are nowhere near that blade ever, making it super safe. And look, perfect size of a french fry.
All right, so we've already done the french fry shape, and now I'm going to show you slices. I have it on, sorry, I put it together, the slice setting, and then I think I have it on thickness 3. We're doing fried potatoes and onions for dinner tonight. So that's the thickness. I did this once before. That's the thickness that I like them. So I already cut and peeled. These are a little bit bigger. If they're smaller ones, you don't have to cut them or peel it. Yeah. And ooh, it helps when I push things correctly, but that's legit all you do. Ooh, sorry for the wobbles. Let's see if I can zoom out a little bit. There we go. But that's it. Take your titer in the tube. This is, you can hold it with your finger for a while, but this is like the safety, don't smoosh yourself one. And you can see out here the taters are starting to spit out. And nice, where's this way, thin slices. I would think if you wanted to do like at home potato chips, I've never done that, but I would think for this one going down to like thickness 1 would get you really, really thin slices for homemade chips. But that's how easy that is. I'm not going to do the rest of them on camera because it's just the same thing over and over again. But I got my oil preheating, and then I'll throw these in here with some seasoning, and we'll have fried onions and potatoes for dinner.